Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and I'm going to show you in this short video that the arithmetic operation without numbers to find a quotient is also extremely simple. So let's begin. Remember in the last video I showed you how you can convert this this first ratio so that it has the same consequent as this ratio that I'm circling, okay? And the way to do that is by representing the ratio with the antecedent vertically and the consequent horizontally. And then the way we find the conversion is that we take this antecedent, this this consequent, draw it down here, right? And then we use this line, which joins the two lines here, to find the new antecedent, which is this red line. So it goes there like that and then like that. And so we have this new antecedent. Okay, so we have now a new ratio, this red, blue, green ratio, which is now represented by this. Okay, right. So once we've done that, then the division of this ratio by this one is simply the new antecedent by the antecedent of the second ratio. Okay, that's all it is. So that means that we take this line, put it down here, and this antecedent here becomes a consequent. So then you'll say, okay, well, what does this tell us? How does this explain division? Well, very simply this. Look, what I didn't tell you is that this first ratio here is 2/3, and this is 1/6. Okay, right? So 2/3 divided by 1/6 is equal to 4, right? Because 2/3 is being measured by 1/6, isn't it? Okay. So what that means is if you take 1/6 and you measure it, and you measure 2/3, the answer will be 4. Okay. So now, what we're going to do, what I'm going to show you now is that this ratio here, has an exact measure of 4. How do I do that? Well, all I do is I take this little guy here, like that, and I measure it. 1, 2, 2, and 3, and 3, and 4, okay? One more on top of this. You can see it's 4, right? So we know that 2/3 divided by 1/6 is 4, and I showed you how to do it without numbers. This essentially means that you can do things like pi divided by √2 or √2 divided by pi or any other thing you want to 100% accuracy, okay, with ratios, because this is the resultant ratio and its measure, and the measure of this ratio is equal to 4. Why? Because by definition, by tradition, we measure the antecedent using the consequent. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, and of course, another way you could see this is you could say, okay, take 2/3 like that over 1/6. Right? Just extend that line. Do this 6 times here. Or maybe less, actually. Nah, do it 6 times. Okay, 1 like that. Okay, and this here, 6 times. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you'll see that that top part there will come out to 12/3 all over 1, right? And 12/3 is equal to 4. Okay, so now that covers a quotient. As you can see, it's very easy. It's just simply taking, once they have the same consequent, you just take the new the new ratio will be the ratio of the antecedents. Okay, it will be the ratio of the antecedents, and this little guy measures this guy here exactly 4 times. And of course, multiplication is defined from this. Okay, from division. So I'm going to show you in the next video how that's done. I'm John Gabriel, and this is New Calculus Channel. If you're not already subscribed, become a subscriber. Join my members only channel. Follow me on academia, and don't forget to click like. Take care.